Hi everyone, this is Ecuboot, and for today's videos, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to reset the transmission control unit on almost every BMW model that are on the market. So no more wasting time, let's jump right into it. First of all, turn your ignition on for all the light to come up, but do not start your engines. After that, press and hold the gas pedal for approximately 30 seconds. And remember to keep your feet on the acceleration pedal all the time. So after 30 seconds, release it and let's start your engines. Okay, so at this point, your TCU has been resetted, and from now on, it will be smoother every time you shift, and your driving experience will be improved.